may tumubo na, may ano na siya, ugat. Hello friends, good morning! How are you? I hope you are all doing good. So today guys is Tuesday at magva-vlog tayo ngayon. We are now in March. Actually, we are in March 10 and I hope I can upload this video right away. So marami tayong gagawin friends kasi nga March na. We are now in March 10. Wow, time flies so fast, really. Nung isang araw lang parang March 1 and then now we are in March 10. So, malapit na naman na nasa quincenas yung buwan, friends. And then, matatapos na ulit ang March. OMG! So, hindi pa ako nakapag-start, friends, ng mga seedlings natin. So, that's what I am going to do. Not totally today, maybe, because maybe some, I don't know, because my soil, this morning pala, after sending Lakota to school, I went to a shop. So, yung shop na yun, friends, is for agriculture. And then, I bought 1 sack of soil para gagamitin natin sa ating seed starters. And also, 11 siguro? Or 13, I think 13 na parang tray, friends, kung saan natin ilagay yung lupa and then yung seeds para doon sila lalaki, and then after that we can just transplant the whole plant. So I have a lot, friends, of things to do because I really want to preserve a lot of vegetables this time. Kasi nga, last year, wala akong gaanong na-preserve. Mga tomatoes, yun ang mga marami akong na-preserve last year. Tomatoes. And also some celeries, mga ganun. Pero yung celeries ko lang ay I chop and then I put into our freezer. Meron pa kami, kunti na lang, friends. And yung tomatoes, yung pinaka-last na harvest ko na tomatoes, kasi nga, kunti, not totally kunti, pero to preserve it, parang konti lang. So, ang ginawa ko, inilagay ko sa isang bag and then I throw into the freezer. And then, I think I made also some tomato sauces, friends. So, yun. Parang 2 na lang yata o 3 na lang yung natitira na tomato sauce natin. And then, wala na. So, my plan this year is, this gardening season is, I really want to have enough tomato sauce, salsas, or whatsoever, friends, na gagamitin the whole year. And yeah, I'm very happy. Tapos yung onions natin last year, hindi ako naka-harvest ng marami. So, I purchased 1 sack of onion. Ganun nga, friends. Okay, so I am also cooking. I am using my rice cooker. I use the steamer option. I am just steaming carrots, green beans, and potatoes. So, that is for lunch. And then, some meat na lang mamaya. Yun na lang ang i-pan-fried natin. Not totally as in a deep fry, but, you know, grilled, like grilled type. So, yun nga, friends, I am going to show you the things that I have collected this winter. Yes, or yeah, this winter. So, yun ang mga gusto kong ipakita sa inyo, friends, kasi yun nga ang karamihan na kainin namin at gagamitin namin. And also, I have to pluck yung ano natin, friends, yung sunflower na kinuha ko last year, that I harvested last year from my garden. So, yun din ang itatanim natin. And then, my friend Mayjoy also, she gave me some seeds. Sunflower seeds and also sitaw, friends. So, yun ang itanim din natin. I am very excited, really. Because the beautiful weather is coming almost here. And the gardening season, I love gardening season, friends. Finally, we can start to eat summer vegetables. Kahit na you can purchase here in Spain, friends, yung mga cucumbers, pero syempre, I think they planted in a greenhouse. So we have tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchinis, peppers, all those. So we have those the whole year round at the supermarket. But iba pa rin talaga yung ipoproduce natin na or itatanim natin tapos aanihin natin. And to eat also seasonal food. So, yun nga. Yun talaga ang masarap. Okay, friends. So, nung isang araw, pumunta nga kami sa Lidl. At in Lidl, they also have seeds doon. So, bumili din ako ng ilan para yun ang itanim natin na flower. This is sunflower, friends. As you can see, sunflower na iba-iba. So, that is mixed. We also have this type of flower. I hope nga tutubo sila. This one, Clavel del Poeta. This one, friends. And I also have this type of calabasin or zucchini. This zucchini is round. Yeah, so I would really love to try this one. And then, nung isang araw nga, nung pumunta kami sa bahay ng friend ko for breakfast, she shared her, friends, her seeds ng binili niyang sitaw. So yan din ang itatanim natin. And as you can see here on top of our chimney here in our kitchen, I have my sprouting sweet potatoes here, friends. So naglagay din ako ng iba pa na halimbawa this one, as you can see, may na siya, may roots na siya. I started this one quite late. So, kaya medyo hindi pa sila, wala pa silang tubo. And then, I will love, friends, ampalaya and okra. So, yun ang mga itatanim natin, ampalaya. Kasi marami tayong mga Filipino friends, mga Filipino nakakilala. So, yun ang kagustuhan yun ang mga gustong-gusto ng ating mga friends. Tapos kalabasa na ganito, friends. This is from Sis Sarah. She gave it to me. Hindi ko pa nga nasa-segregate yung yung seeds niya. At yun ang itanim natin. So, ganyan, parang may sira siya. And I have to check it kung okay ba ito sa loob niya. Tapos kung okay pa sa loob niya, we can consume it. If not, kunin ko lang yung seeds niya. At yun ang itanim natin. Okay, friends. So, I will show you more of my seeds. Okay, friends. So, pinakita ko na sa inyo itong apat na ito kanina. Tapos yung sitaw and the sunflower. And now, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga binili ko while I'm preparing and looking forward for this warmer weather, guys. So, bumili ako ng mixed na flowers because I really love flowers, friends. And also, this sunflowers. So, parang nakita ko ito and this one, parang magkaano sila. Parang parehas. No, yeah, parang. Yes, friends. So, parang naduble ko. Kaso nga lang, this one is bigger than this one. Because I really want to have a lot of flowers in my garden, in my vegetable garden, friends. Kaya yun. And now, I would really love this tomato. Sana nga makaabot pa ako, friends. Kasi when it's to start this one, Diciembre, de Nobyembre a Febrero. OMG. Cultivo and semillero transplantar. So, yeah. As in Febrero and we are now in March. Yun nga, dapat nga sana nung last month ko pa inumpisahan ito. So, anyway, let's try it. So, we have this tomato because I love tomatoes, friends. I really love tomatoes and my family. This one is bull's heart. We love bull's heart, friends, tomato. And another type of tomato, that one. And I also have these eggplants. And while I was checking some of my seeds here, I have also this type of eggplant. Yeah. And onion, this red onion. So this one is December to February daw. If not, kung hindi ako kung hindi ako makahabol, maybe I'm going to buy just one tray. So I have to, so ayan, our onions. Ayan ang ating onions. I will also try to plant this melon. And I think this one is also late. Maybe semillas de Abril, de Mayo, Agosto. This one is for winter, friends. So maybe I will start that one in May. And this one is also, yeah. I really tried to plant like this, but it wasn't successful. Ewan ko ba kung bakit, friends. Kaya yun. And Tres Cantos, this type of tomato as well. Parang parehas lang sila nito. Right? Parang. And of course, corns. We love corns, friends. All of us will love corns. Especially me. Lahat kami, actually. We love corn. So, 2 years ago, nagtanim ako. We really enjoyed. And last summer, hindi ako nakapagtanim kasi hindi ko mahanap kung nasaan itong mga seeds natin. So, hanggang na-late na akong nagtanim hanggang sa wala na. So, hindi ako nakapagtanim. Hindi kami nakakain ng fresh sweet corn last year. So, this time na I am full-time at home, full-time mommy. So, I hope I can produce enough of these, friends, for my family. And beets, we are not fan of beets, but parang masarap siya in salads. And also, to freeze dry, masarap din siya as a snack. And we love tomatoes, as I've said. Every year, I plant this yellow tomato, pear-shaped. Yellow pear-shaped tomato, friends. And also, this red cherry. We love this cherry. Meron din sana yung yung not pear pero red na cherry. Sana. Pero masarap na rin ito, mga friends. And ito naman, mga naka-boxes. We love green beans. We love green beans, friends. So, I really love. So, this is flat. As you can see, as you can tell, that's flat. And this one is round. French bean, friends. Or Baguio beans, we call it in the Philippines. Dito naman they call it Bobby. And also this is snow peas. This is so yummy, friends, in our in panggisa, for gisa-gisa sa sa pansit. Saan ba ito? Come todo cappuccino pea bisalto. It produces big, large, flattened. But when is to plant this one? When? Germination 10 to 12 days. September to March. So I can plant this one September to March. And this one, yeah, this one produces very fast. Alright, friends, so yun ang mga itatanim natin. And aside from okra, na nandito, okra, kalabasa, sitaw, and also yung reyna natin na ampalaya. Yes, so kumpleto na. And of course, kung hindi ako makapagtanim ng green and red peppers, kung hindi ako makapag-start ng red and green peppers, I'm going to buy na, friends, yung seedlings na. May isa din na gusto kong itanim, which is yung pangsigang. As in, so delicious. Last year, hindi ako nakapagtanim and I missed that. Yeah, I hope I can find my seed. So, iyon friends, ang mga itanim natin. Kasi gusto kong mag-preserve ng madaming gulay for winter. As you can see, na ginagamit pa rin natin yung mga harvest natin last year. I'm so thankful, friends, really, that we have vegetables to use until now. So, yun lang, friends. I-update ko kayo kung ano ang mga nangyayari dito sa ating maliit na farm. So, nung weekend, Sunday afternoon, my husband and I, we prepared yung garden natin. Not totally prepared, pero inayos lang namin konti yung fence. Mas mataas na yung fence, hindi na maliit. Kasi, or hindi na mababa. Kasi, friends, yung mga aso kasi namin, mga goats, mga sheep. Tapos, yung mga sheep, as in na, they have big bodies, as in once na nag-climb na yan sila, as in they can really move it. And may ilan kaming mga kambing na slender body type, so they can easily jump into the garden. So kinakain nila yung mga gulay natin. And yeah, I am very excited. So yung mga clips na yun, friends, ay ipakita ko na lang right here next. I-mix ko na lang. Okay? And also, friends, yeah, we love yun nga kamotes with potatoes. Ano pa ba? Gabi and sayote. Yun din ang gusto kong itanim. So, nung pumunta kami sa city, maybe 2 weeks ago or no, 3 weeks ago na, bumili ako ng ilang gabi. So, I am sprouting na sila. So, may tumubo na. Ito ang itanim din natin. Wait. Kasi gusto ko kasi, friends, yung yung dahon niya pang, ayan, may tumubo na siyang, may ugat. And also this one. So, we can plant that. This one, no. Masarap, this one, here. Yan. As in, they like water. And here, ayan. Ayan, friends. So, kaya I'm very excited na to plant all these goodies. Masarap kasi yung yung dahon ng gabi, friends, na ilaing. Kaya yun, tapos lagyan mo. When I was young, we eat this and then my mom add some dilis and my mom added some dilis. OMG, ang sarap. Tapos coconut milk na nakagagadgad lang yung, tapos as in na pressed, cold pressed, as in na, it was so delicious. So that was my memory, friends. Yeah, when I was young, living in a homestead. Yeah, nung bata ako, as in nakatira din kami sa bukid. Kaya may mga ganito din kaming gulay. Mga parents ko nagtatanim ng gulay to consume. And also, my mom sold sometimes. She sold them some of the vegetables that we couldn't eat. My mom sold them. And ano pa ba? Yeah, mga karamihan na ampalaya. Ang dami kasi nilang itinanim na ampalaya that time. So, my mom went to the supermarket and she supplied one of the, sometimes akong marami, she supplied one of the tindera there. Yeah. And ano pa ba? Mga pigeon pea na fresh. Ang sarap din nun. Sitaw na short na sitaw. And my favorite was yung sitaw na ganun lang, na short. Tapos yung buto-buto niya, as in na ang sarap i-adobo. Tapos, lagyan mo ng kunting meat or kahit na ganun na lang, just oil. Oh my! That was so delicious. Ano pa ba? So, ang dami kong mga favorite na gulay, friends. So, yun ang mga naalala ko when I was young. So, yun nga, kaya magtatanim din tayo. Kasi, yeah, so, nostalgic. Kaya, magtatanim tayo kasi maganda ng weather, and then we can enjoy, and aside from enjoying the food that we missed, and also to save money kasi mahirap ng buhay ngayon, friends, ang mamahal na ang mga bilihin. Kaya magtanim tayo para sa ganun hindi na tayo bibili ng gulay. So if you have a piece of land, kahit na gaano kalaki o kaliit, just plant. If you have seed, just plant. Take good care, and then you will harvest. Yeah, so yun ang gawin natin, friends. So this time, I really want to maximize harvest natin this year. And then, if I can sell them also to friends and to acquaintances, and also to preserve as well for autumn and winter use, friends. This year or last year pala, hindi ako nagtanim ng garlic. So I am still using yung na-harvest natin last June. I checked ChatGPT kung pwede pa akong magtanim ng garlic. Sabi niya na yes, pwede pa daw akong magtanim ng garlics dito in Spain. Kaso nga lang, maha-harvest ko na siya in August, not in June or July. So, kahit na ganun, we are going to try to plant. And, nandito nga yung mga natin, friends, mga pangtanim talaga na garlic, kasi malalaki ang mga bulbs niya. Yes. And, wait, I want to show you. Itinatago ko ito, friends, kasi I want to recycle these ones. Kaya yan. Nandito yan sila sa likod ko. Oh! And I also forgot to show you this. Bumili pala ako ng flower. I told you that I love flowers, right? So, no need to buy flowers. Plant them. And don't wait someone to give you flowers. Plant them and you will harvest many times. And you will enjoy watching the flowers in your garden. Okay? So, lahat ng mga egg cartons, friends, I am keeping them kasi nga, brown lang siya. So, we can recycle these ones. That one, no, because it has pink. Pati mga ganito. So, yun nga. And, marami pa akong garlic. So, I am thinking na, friends, kung should I plant garlic kahit na late na or hindi na. Or ubusin na lang. Ubusin muna yung mga natin. Mga garlics natin. Actually, marami pa. Oh, ayan. But I think, yeah, I have to plant garlics kasi nga, para may gagamitin tayo this winter and the next year. So, we are going to plant. So, ayan, marami pa. I am very happy talaga. So, yun lang, friends. And also, i-update ko kayo sa friends, sa skin tags na pinatanggal ko. So, wala na siya. Wala na, as you can see. Kaya I'm very happy kasi wala na yung napakaraming mga skin tags na maliliit at iba-ibang sizes. So, ayun, friends. Yun lang ang update. And, marami pala akong mga doon, flowers. That is marigold. And also, my favorite, zinnias. I also have to prepare the seeds for my zinnias. I started yung, yung marigold na nasa baba. inalagay ko sa isang paso nung isang araw. Yung seeds niya nilagay ko and then I irrigated. Tapos may sprout na siya, friends. Kaso nga lang, yun kasi is yellow na hindi siya doble. Yung nandito sa akin, yun ang parang orange red, ganun. Tapos doble yung flower niya as in na makapal. Yung isa hindi siya gaano makapal. Tapos this one, yes. And also yung ating mga zinnias. Zinnias, they are very beautiful. They attract pollinators. And also, as in hanggang darating yung frost, doon na lang siya malanta, friends. Yeah. You can enjoy for some months yung flowers ng zinnias. That's why I really love zinnias. And yun lang, friends, ang ating vlog for today. And I hope you stick around and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please like, subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you on the next one, friends. Happy gardening! Bye! Ano pala, friends, nanganak yung isa naming kambing na Murciano Granadina na si Venus. Black siya, tapos ang anak niya is brown. So, it's very cute, as in, na weekend. So, in the next vlogs, I will show you our maliit na kambing. So, bale, dalawa na ang maliit natin na kambing, si Lily, and also yung bago. Ano kayang pangalan natin? Please comment down below, guys, kung ano ang ipapangalan natin. Lalaki siya. Yeah. Lalaki yung ating kambing. So, help us find a name, a nice name for our kambing. So, update ko kayo, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please stick with us para makita nyo kung ano ang mga ginagawa namin dito sa maliit naming homestead. And subscribe, like, and see you again very soon. Bye, friends! Hello, friends! Good evening! Time check, it is now 7:03 in the evening. Pero may liwanag pa tayo, as you can see. Kasi nga magsa-summer na, kasi nga mag-spring na, guys. So, mas mahaba na ang ating daylight. So, kaya I am very excited. And, friends, I am making like an experiment. So, naglalakad kami sa garden kasi we were watching the animals while they are grazing. And my husband is still there with them. And I saw this. And I saw this, friends, trunk ng rose na parang ng mga kambing. Parang friends, ng mga kambing. Kinakain kasi nila yung mga bago nilang mga dahon, yung nagsisilabasan na dahon. So, nila, tapos yun, nabali yung sanga. So, ang ginawa ko naman, kasi nga may may mga dahon-dahon na nagsilabasan na nga kasi nga spring na. So, ang ginawa ko, ginunting ko at inilagay ko sa lupa na wet. So, here, they are here, friends. So, nilagyan ko ito ng ganito nga para hindi tutulo yung tubig. Ayan, bale, dalawa ang kinuha ko. Sayang kasi, can you see? Sana nga, friends, gumana ang ating experiment. Ayan. And here as well, may mga tubo siya, friends. Ayan. Tapos, ito din. Ayan, may dahon na nga eh. Look at that. So, sana nga tutubo sila. Meron pa dito. Oh, this is very nice. Ayan. Ayan, may dahon na rin siya. Dito. Kaya, sayang, nasayangan ako, friends. Puputulin ko siguro itong mga ito at itanim. Kaso nga lang, wala na akong paglagyan. Siguro ilagay ko sa baba. So, i-update ko kayo, friends, kung ano man ang mangyayari sa mga tanim na experiments natin na ito. Okay?